Those passengers don't know it yet, but they are seconds away from experiencing the worst fear of every air traveler. Suddenly, the alarm sounds. The plane is going down, spiraling into the ocean. A mad scramble as water fills the inside of the plane. Survivors going for the exits. Clinging to anything they can get their hands on.
Oh, you gotta put it on first before you put it. You gotta put it on first. Everybody okay?
Throughout the 3-minute ordeal, Ferdinand Fuentes' camera never stops rolling, even as the plane begins to sink into the ocean.
It's that fifth time stop, and everything that you remembered in your past, your loved ones and everything, I didn't say goodbye to them. Your whole life just goes in front of you.
And we were remarking and watching the video, listening, how calm everyone was.
Not a single scream, and so methodical, all getting out in time.
Unfortunately, there was one fatality. The state's health department director was on board and was killed.
Sad, but boy, that is incredible stuff we saw right there.